I'm gonna make frijoles de la olla, which is just boiled beans, and these are the ingredients. I have 4 cups of ojo de venado beans, 1/4 of an onion, and 2 tablespoons of salt. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go ahead and clean the beans, and what I'm looking for is just pieces of broken beans or beans that don't look nice. And you wanna make sure that you do this because sometimes you find little rocks there. Just do it before you rinse them. Now I'm going to bring this to the sink so that I can rinse it. Okay, the beans are now clean. The water is nice and clear. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this here. I'm gonna add the beans here to my crock pot. 2 liters of water. Another liter, so the total would be 3 liters of water. 1/4 of an onion. 2 tablespoons of salt. We cover. And I'm gonna set it for 5.5 hours, and the temperature is gonna be high.
And here we have them. Now you can enjoy them either plain like this or with onions, tomatoes, cilantro, and jalapenos. They just taste delicious either way you decide to have them.